Hi folks, this is a video of a cold startup on my MG YT. It's in the garage here, and I haven't started the car since yesterday. I drove it around the block a couple of times yesterday and then let it sit overnight, and thought I would try to start it up when it's cold just to show you that it starts up pretty quickly generally. Anyway, walking up toward the car here. The garage is a little messy, but anyway, getting into the car. This is the ignition key. That's the electric fuel pump that you hear ticking there, if you can hear it. Got the gear shift in neutral. One of the turn signals is on. That's a turn signal light. So I'm turning that off. This is the choke here, and that's the starter on the left side there. Pulling the choke out a little bit, and here's the starter. 1, 2, 3, and it started. It'll take a couple, 3 pulls normally when it's cold like this overnight, or even for a week or two. But it's fine to start. The car's never failed to start. Also have to let it warm up a little bit when you first start it. Get everything loosened up. For some reason there are some ambulances or police cars going by my house here. You could probably hear in the background. Just shifted into reverse. Amp meter, oil pressure gauge, and the fuel gauge, which doesn't work. Shifting into first gear here. I'm trying to work this camera, the steering wheel, and the gears. There's my little garden area up here. We're in first gear. Shift into second, but decided not to. That's in second gear there. Down here for the curb. Still in second gear. hill to my house. There's my little garden area. Back to the garage.